how to see who shared the Instagram reel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today I'll show you how to effortlessly discover who's been spreading your content far and wide. Let's dive right in. First, open your Instagram app, and then once you're in the home page, go to your profile on the bottom right. And then to find out who shared your Instagram reel, you'll have to have a professional account. So to switch to professional account, you'll have to go to the three horizontal lines on the top right and then search for professional mode. So when you search for it, you'll see switch to professional account. Tap on it and then tap on next. Choose a category that you want and tap on switch to professional account. However, switching to a professional account makes your profile public. So if you want to see who shared the reel, you'll have to make your profile public. So if you are sure you want to do it, tap on OK. Read all of this and tap on allow and finish adding. You can either set up a professional account or do it later. Now, you see a professional dashboard up there, which means my professional account has been created. Now I can just go on my reel here and then tap on the three dots, and there you'll see insights. So from here you can see who viewed your content, the watch time, the interactions, the profile activities, as well as who shared your Instagram reel. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.